Hi, I'm Mr. D, and I had the opportunity to work with grades 4 through 8 at the 2014 Summer Intersession for Kamaile Academy, where we worked on financial literacy for 3 weeks. Students learned how to write a check. You're going to see exactly what they did step by step, and they can go over this with you at home as well. So they started by doing the date of the check, making it who it was made payable to, the dollar amount, as well as writing that dollar amount out in words, making the memo as who it was for, and of course they signed it in cursive with their own name. We also worked on what is an entrepreneur, and one of the first things that we talked about with the students about being an entrepreneur is the students learned how to pay yourself first, which is save 10% of everything you make and never ever spend it. What does that do? Well, if you had a $30,000 a year job where you save 10% after 30 years, as you can see, that bottom number, you'll have a savings of $600,000, which you can use for your retirement and save for your loved ones after you pass on. Now, how do you earn 10% on your money throughout time? Well, the students learned how to buy and sell stocks. Let's show you here quickly about what happened with some of the middle school students who were working on this, where you can see that in less than 2 weeks, they had earned almost 6% in a stock market virtual game that we played that you can play with them at home as well, and the students can show you exactly how to do that. Now, how did these students do? Well, let's start with a 9-year-old that looks at a stock chart for Twitter and talks about the stocks that she bought while she was participating in the stock market contest here at Kamaile. Let's meet Summer and how she did. Nice, AT&T's doing good.
It's right there.
There it is, good. What stock are you buying? Twitter, awesome.
I didn't even know that.
Good luck, okay?
That's awesome. What all did you buy so far, Summer?
Apple, Facebook, and Twitter.
Apple, Facebook, and Twitter. Awesome. And how old are you? 9. That's awesome. That is pretty amazing for a 9-year-old young lady. Now we're going to meet an 11-year-old boy who discovers that buying stocks can make money. Watch and see how he made this discovery. So what are you getting ready to buy?
Why?
Wait, Whole Food Market.
You're going to buy Whole Foods Market? Good idea. How many shares are you going to buy?
50?
50? Good idea. Okay. So what do you do now? How do you buy it? Trade, okay. So there goes the trade. And you bought Whole Foods Market. Now, why did you buy Whole Foods Market?
I don't know, I was bored.
You were bored? Okay, good. Did you know the Whole Foods Market actually went down a little today? So what do you think is going to happen now in the next couple of days? What happens? If it goes down, what does it do after it goes down? What does the stocks usually do? They go down and then they what?
And then...
Well, let's look. You ready? Let's go ahead and click on that right there, and let's look at right there, Whole Foods Market. Let's click on it, and let's take a look at it and see what it's going to do. So I'm going to take a picture of your screen. Scroll down there a little bit. Scroll down so we can see it. There, keep going. Oh, what's it been doing? Well, it's over the last day. Now click out 1 year, and let's take a look there and see what it's going to do. Oh, what do you think about that? Where did you buy it?
Hey, you know the guy that said...
You bought it right here. Did you buy it when it was high or low?
No.
Oh, so what do you think it's going to do now? Think it'll go up?
Yeah.
What happens when it goes up? What's going to happen?
It's going to get higher.
What happens for you when it gets higher?
It's going to be better.
Why? What happens? What do you get to do then? If you sell it, what happens?
Money,
right? Okay, good. How old are you?
11.
11, perfect. It's a good game to play? Yeah? Okay, awesome. That young man certainly discovered what it is to buy stocks. Now we're going to meet a 10-year-old young lady who is definitely a financial advisor in training. Watch her walk you through exactly how to buy stocks. Tell me about that chart. What's that doing?
When it goes down, it goes back up, and then it might go down and back up.
Where is it right now? Is it down or up?
It's down.
Huh. Do you think that's a good time to buy it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, can you show me how to buy it?
For that, then you go my 5, and then you go my account.
So you're in your account? What are you going to do now?
Then I go trade now.
Oh.
And I might buy 100 shares.
Good idea.
And then
It was...
C, then you can C, and then go down. Then it says, are you sure you want to buy 100 shares of MSC for an estimated total of $7,147? And then I put, yes, make the trade.
And then you bought that stock.
I bought the stock.
And what are you going to do now? Wait for it to do what?
To go up.
And then what happens when it goes up? What should you do then?
Sell it.
Sell it. Huh. What are you going to do with the money you make?
I'm gonna buy another stock.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Good. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
10.
10. You having fun? Good. As you can see, the students had a great time. They learned a lot, and they know how to play the stock market now and make money. We ended with this. What is an entrepreneur? Each student discovered for themselves that they really are someone who's willing to take on a new venture or enterprise and accept full responsibility for the outcome. We defined each word in this definition so that they could discover for themselves who they were, who they are, and who they want to be for the future. Thank you so much for having them participate in the summer program. It was a true honor to work with these young people.